What's up, guys? So I'm back home. I don't really want to show you guys the house because it's a mess. I have not seen my car in a whole month, and we're about to see her right now. Oh my god, there she is. I'm gonna fire this thing up because I haven't been inside of her in so long. Let's see. I missed it. Jesus Christ. This is a little emotional right now. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Damn. This is so exciting. I didn't miss that. Miss her bitching at me. Alright. So I'm gonna go to Antonio's Tires right now. I'm gonna get a new tire on my car because one of these is fucked. So I'm gonna get my wheel lock. Alright, so she's been collecting dust for a fucking month. Oh, poor girl. Wingless gang. If you're in the Inland Empire area, come to Penske Honda. They take care of me. This is Phil Lopez. Phil Lopez. You guys come talk to him. He's in the parts.
Whatever you need, whenever you need it.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what we do.
So we're still trying to figure out the Honda. See if you guys can do that.
Yeah, I want to work with some stuff. Okay. I want to work with you guys. So.
Okay, cool.
I want to take care of your peeps out there.
Yeah, hell yeah. So, yeah, you guys come on down here. I mean, I get all my stuff here.
That's dope, man. That's $2 right there.
Ooh, that's a nice shirt. That's dope. I need it. Honda Life. Oh, you guys already know.
Happy birthday to Johnny boy over here.
Who the fuck is Johnny? I'm just kidding. What's up, bro? Happy birthday.
Thanks, man. How are you? How you been? How's your trip?
Good, man. Good. It's really cool. I wrapped a fucking demon. That's what I'm happy about. What's up, bro? How are you?
That was an experience itself. I saw it on your Instagram. Like,
oh shit, dude. My buddy's crazy. The Yuli. When are you gonna stop spiking your hair?
I'm getting a haircut today, maybe.
You don't need a haircut. Just grow it a little longer. You can like comb it over or something.
Look, not everyone's trying to look like you, okay?
I'm not.
Show them your hair. Show them your hair.
Here's my hair. I've had a lot of people ask me what's going on with my wing, and honestly, I sold it, guys, because I'm really tired of people calling my car a Subaru. So, sold my wing because it's not a Subaru, it's a Civic. But yeah, I took it off. The car handles better without the wing. It doesn't need all that aerodynamic stuff, you know. It doesn't need to look like a spaceship. And yeah, that's not true. That's a lie. I wrapped a white Civic Type R, pearl white. I did some black accents on it. What happened was I stripped a bolt on his wing so I couldn't wrap his spoiler. I figured a quick and easy fix, something that I could just worry about the spoiler later, was take the spoiler off of my car, put it on his car because it would go with the black and white. And then when I got back from Texas, I'll figure out how to fix his wing. So his wing is now taken apart. I just have to break the tabs on the inside to get it all, you know, fixed and wrapped. And then after that, I can go swap out spoilers with him, which I need to do today or tomorrow because our barbecue is on the 4th. I did not sell my spoiler, not broken, it didn't get stolen or anything like that. It's just not on my car. So yeah, that's what's going on with my wing, for everybody asking. Something really exciting. I actually just bought something for my car. It is the official, like, first bolt-on mod to my car. And there it is. So I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Show you guys what this all comes with. It comes with this little Mishimoto penguin dude. It comes with this Mishimoto guide to auto performance cooling. Pretty cool stuff in here. And then
This is all the stuff that they pretty much have, like how their rewards program works, the lifetime warranty, installation videos, you know, the different products and stuff that they have. That's pretty cool too. I'm gonna set this aside. Then we have this box here. Let's see. So, how does this open? Alright, so this is 2. Let's set this here, get this little box out. Alright, let me cut this open real quick. Let's see what's in here. Oh, cool. So, it's the air filter. Awesome. Let's set that aside too. This is the box. Air box. Yep. We got the air box here. Uh-oh. And then, what is this? Oh, more tubes. Okay. So this is all that comes in there. Excuse the mess that I have here, buying all this shit. Alright, so this is all that comes in here. I'm gonna sort all this stuff out and then start installing it right now in my little car. Guys, Mishimoto intake is now in. So it looks really good actually. I mean, I just gotta find a way to hide this wire somewhere, but right now I don't really care about that. I just want to take this shit out for a spin, so I'm just gonna tuck it right there. But I mean, it looks stock. It's all black just like the original one. So I'm gonna take this out for a spin and kind of get some sound clips of this.
What's up, guys? So my camera actually ran out of memory while I was trying to record the sound clips. So I'm gonna do some sound clips for you guys. I'm gonna go to a street right now where I can kind of run the car up and down. I really like the way the Mishimoto sounds, and the car feels a little better. I really want to try to capture that sound for you guys because I think it sounds great. So I'm gonna go to this street right now. I'm gonna set up the camera outside, and then I'm gonna do some shots from the inside. I don't know if that, oh shit, the air's really far. So I'm gonna set up the camera on the inside, obviously. I'll do some pulls from the outside so you guys can maybe hear it from the outside, because I don't even know what it sounds like on the outside. I haven't really heard any other videos of the Mishimoto intake. I haven't looked for any either, but I haven't heard any, so hopefully I can get you guys some cool sound clips. So yeah, take it easy, or not take it easy, but like, you know, just sit tight. Alright, what's up guys? So I brought my nephew with me, Ivan. Yeah. Say what's up. Hey. Say what's up, YouTube. Yeah. Say YouTube, what's up? Hey. Say what's up. What's up? Concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the sound clips that I got for you guys. I tried getting like the best ones possible, pretty much. You know, in car, outside of the car, and then you know I got a microphone pretty close to the intake, like right inside the engine bay, just so you guys can hear that. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I do have a few videos to upload, so you know, and I'm trying to, you know, just get more content out for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Follow me at Misapatos on Instagram and Snapchat, and follow Illustrious Auto Styling on Instagram. So yeah, take it easy guys, bye.